Today's lesson is on making pop-up card. So I have made a pop-up card with Buddha under Bodhisattva tree. So these are the material you will need for this lesson. I'm going to start with the tree. So here I have taken paper of same size, and then I will start drawing the structure of the tree. Make sure that the structure of the tree looks like the Bodhisattva tree. So the leaves, the structure of the leaves must be long like this. Like these. After making this structure, start cutting the form with either paper cutter, or if you are not comfortable with paper cutter, just go with the scissors. While cutting, make sure that you cut the linear area only, and if you have chosen a thin paper, then you have to be very careful while cutting. Now it's done and it will look like this. It's gonna look like these. Okay, now let us proceed for the ground. For the ground, I'm going to choose a paper of green color and just fold it like this. You have to fold it as if you are making a paper fan, like this. Then join the corners. Join both the end to make it look like this. Now take a purple paper or blue paper or any darker paper and stick the paper fan, the folded paper, inside like this. So you have to stick both the corners with the paper, with the main paper. So when you open, it will look like this. I'm going to cut the center area . Then I will fold it inside. From here I'm going to fold it like this. So it's going to look like this from outer side. Okay, next here I'm going to put glue. The area which is going to be pasted with the tree, I'm going to paste leaf here. Both the trees should be pasted in the opposite direction. Like this. I'm going to make the Buddha. I've taken an orange paint. You can choose white or yellow. And just make the silhouette of Buddha's image, sitting posture. The meditative posture should be drawn only with silhouette. Like this, and then I'm going to cut it out. It's gonna look like this. Once it is cut out, it's going to look like this. Now I'm going to paste it inside the card. I'll place it in the center, in between the tree and the folded paper here. So again I'm going to cut this portion in the similar way I have cut the previous one. And this one, this area, I'm going to fold it again like this. So once when you will open the card, the image will pop out. Like the one you are seeing in the tree. I'm going to paste the Buddha here. Just put the glue in the center to stick the Buddha. Like this. So when you will fold it, it's going to appear like this. To close the card completely, I'm going to fold the Buddha also from the center. So when you will close the card, it's going to get inside. Like this. Now with color or sketch pen, give variations on the leaf, or you can put paint also, just to highlight some areas of the tree, leaf, the ground as well as the Buddha. Just to make the Buddha more interesting, I am applying pencil color on one side of the Buddha's image to give a shadow-like effect. You can choose paint also. You can choose yellow and white paint to cover up the chest area of Buddha, to show the enlightenment portion. Like this. Keep the folds very prominent so that it closes and opens nicely. To cover this area, to make it look clean, I'm going to apply orange color paper, or you can choose any other color paper for covering up that area. It's not compulsory that you select contrast colors. Instead, you can choose the same color as you have chosen for the card. For example, here I have chosen purple. You can cover the cutout area with purple only. So when you will open it, it will look like this. And the grass, I have cut some grasses and I have sticked like this on the folded portion. I hope you have enjoyed learning this lesson. Now it's your turn to make a new one.